Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Google Tag Manager with your website step by step. Whether you are taking conversion event or settings up analytics, this is the first step. Before starting this video, if you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe my channel. I will share analytics tips and tricks. So let's get started. First, go to googletagmanager.google.com and sign in the Google account and click on create. Enter your name, then select your country, then click on share data anonymously with Google and others. Then enter a container name. Then need to select web for use on desktop mobile web pages. Then click on create. Here is the Google Tag Manager terms of service agreement. Then click on I also accept. Then again click on yes. Here is the code. Install Google Tag Manager code. These are header code and these are body code. I need to copy this code our Google Tag Manager with our website. So I will copy this code. This is my website. I need to go this website backend. This is the website backend. Then find out plugin sections. Then click on add new plugin. Then scroll down. Then here search on GTM for WP. I need to install a plugin for connect to Google Tag Manager with our website. GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager GTM plugin for WordPress. Then click on install now. Then again click on active. Our plugin already activate. If I click on settings, you will see that Google Tag Manager. Then click here, scroll down, then paste here your Google Tag Manager ID like this is GTM ID. Then click on save changes. If you scroll down, you will see that container code turn off. I need to click on turn on, then again click on save changes. Then if I go back again or then click preview button, then I need to go back again website, then copy this website URL, then paste here, then click on connect. If you see that here our Google Tag Manager connected with our website. If I click again Google Tag Assistant, you will see that our Google Tag Manager ID already connected with our website. And that's it. You are successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your website. Now you are ready to set up tracking tags for analytics and more. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe and let me know in the comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.